No, it's a recording. Okay, so for the final project, we first start off with MySQL. As you can see here, I have already created the table and I inserted 2 users into this table. For the server side, after you generated the key store, use the system.setProperty methods to put in your key store file and your password, and then you start the SSL server socket. We'll start the server here. Now the server is waiting for a client connection, and for the client, I'm using a different editor here. Use the same, I'll use a slightly different key store file that you have generated. And after loading the file and the password into your program, use the SSL socket factory to connect to the server socket. And now you see that after the client has connected to the server, we have these 2 Java JFrames. One is for the server, the other one is for the client. And for the client, I will log in using predetermined credentials. And after a successful login, a new JFrame shows up that you can input values for the client. So I will just type in some random numbers here. Once the submit button is clicked, the operator number is encrypted and transmitted to the server. As you can see over here, the encrypted value is displayed on the server-side UI. And if we were to look into the database right now, you can see that the operation value from the client is stored inside of the database as encrypted. And back on the server, the encrypt and decrypt button can decipher what the client has sent. And you can always encrypt again, decrypt.